Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring Boot series. In this series, we will learn Spring Boot from absolute beginner to advanced level. And in today's first episode, we will understand three things. What is Spring, why was it created, and why the developer loved it. So without wasting a time, let's start the series. First of all, what exactly is Spring? In one line, Spring is simply a Java framework that helps developer to build Java application quickly and easily. So to understand this, first we have to see what exactly the framework is. So let's understand what the framework is. Imagine you have to build a house from scratch. So for that, you need some amount of brick, some cement, some steel, and some worker and some proper plan. And that takes a lot of time. So building software from scratch is exactly the same. So now imagine in this scenario, now imagine someone gives you a ready-made house structure and the foundation is already there. The walls are ready, the roof is ready. Now your job is much easier. You only need to decorate the house, customize it, and finish the interior. So the framework works in the same way. So now we can define Spring very easily. That Spring is a ready-made structure for a Java application. Without Spring, we have to build a foundation of the code, and with Spring, the structure is already there. We have to just focus on our business logic. Now let's answer another important question. Why was Spring created? So to understand this, imagine a car. A car is made up of many parts. The car has engine, steering, battery, and wheels. But not only this. A car has many parts. So for building a car, we have to assemble all the parts in the right way. Only then the car will work. Your project has only 10 classes. Then managing them is easy. Even 100 classes are manageable. But what if your project has 1000 classes? Creating every object manually, connecting every object manually, and that's become a very difficult. This is the problem developer face. So this problem is called tight coupling. Here, one object is directly creates another object, and because of that, everything becomes connected. If you change one class, many other classes also need to changes, and maintenance becomes very difficult, testing becomes very difficult, and that's exactly what Spring wanted to solve. So what Spring says here, what Spring says. So Spring said that don't create object yourself. I will create and manage them for. I will create and manage them for you. You simply use them. So let's take one scenario. Your code says I need a pizza. So, but your code doesn't know anything about the pizza. By how to create the pizza, what are the things used during the pizza. So, what your code will do? Your code will connect with the Spring container. Now, in our scenario, the Spring container is the restaurant. The restaurant knows the pizza is created through the toppings, cheese, and other factors. Now, the restaurant will responsible for making these things and manage them and assemble them and create the pizza. And the restaurant will inject the pizza to your code. So, in the same way, our classes doesn't create its own object. Spring prepares the required object and gives them to your required classes. So, this is called the dependency injection. So, what we have learned? We have learned Spring is the Java framework. A framework gives you a ready-made structure. Without Spring, you create and manage every object yourself. With Spring, it creates and managing them for you. The, we have also seen the dependency injection. In the next upcoming episode, we will explore what is Spring Boot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.